Okay, looking at number 3, Ellie has a set of nickels and quarters. She has a total of 40 coins worth $5. She sets up a system of equations to model this situation. Okay, so it makes sense that we have 0.05x because I know nickels are worth 5 cents. Quarters are worth 25 cents, so I put 0.25 is equal to $5. Now the reason I put 0.05 and not 5 here is because my units is dollars, whereas other questions our units were cents. So because this is in dollars, I need to change it to $0.05 and $0.25, which equals $5. The other equation, I have a total of 40 coins. That means my nickels, which is x, plus my quarters, which is y, is equal to a total of 40. And my units line up because this is in coins, coins, coins. So this is my answer.